What is going on, guys? It's Kingzon here, back with a review. Today we are doing sort of like a toy kind of show and tell stuff. Like there was my Beyblade video. I hate Beyblades now, if you didn't know that. But so we're doing sort of like a show and tell sort of my cars I have, my brother's and mine. So we're going to show mine first and then my brother's. So I'm going to do my least favorite to my most favorite. So let's get right into it. Hold on, give me a sec, guys. I'm going to try to hang this. Jeez. Sorry about the audio in the back over there. My brother is watching something. So I'm going to do my least favorite. So my least favorite one over here, this kind of color changing one. It looks really fat, I know. Sort of a minivan kind of Hot Wheels car, so bye. I'm just gonna stand right here. Now, this one, my second least favorite. It's this sort of another Hot Wheels car. As you can see, okay, this is really big fat tires. This kind of engine. I don't like big cars, so goodbye. It's really cold outside here, guys. Number three, my least third favorite is this Mercedes Hot Wheels car. It's a yellow one. These are the tires. I don't know if it's focusing or not. It's very light, sort of, and yeah. Now, my fourth least favorite is another Hot Wheels car. No, there's an X over here. Can you see? I don't know if it's focusing, but if you can see that, yeah, you're lucky. It's another Hot Wheels car. Now, another Hot Wheels car. It's my fifth least favorite, and it's this one. It's like sort of it's another Hot Wheels car. It's called Track Hammer. Oh wait, what were the other ones called? Yeah, whatever. This is the only one I'm saying the name. It's called, hold on, let me, like this, I don't know if you can see it. It says Track Hammer. Wait, Track Hammer? Yeah, Track Hammer, okay. Now one, two, hold on, how many cars do I have? So, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Fifth favorite is this Corvette Hot Wheels car. It's a Corvette. This is called the Corvette C7Z06 Convertible TMG M5 JV40. And yeah, I got a gold wheel shirt, guys. So it's a Corvette and it's another Hot Wheels. I don't know if you could see it. It never focuses. And hold on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. My fourth favorite is this. I don't know what this car is called. This is, it doesn't say it. This is a Cars 1 car. Or like a, yeah, this is Cars, actually no, this is Cars 3. Its sponsor is Sputter Stop, and yeah. That's my fourth favorite. My third favorite is this Radiator Springs Lightning McQueen with that crash scene and with the tires thingy. And yeah, that's the one. And it looks pretty cool. Not really. It's just bunched up with these things, wires. These wires you can scratch them, and yeah. So next car. We have a Dinoco Rusty's McQueen. Tires are a bit broken. Hold on. The tires a bit broken. The other one is also a bit broken. Oh gosh. But these two, the Dinoco one is just fine, except there's a bit scratches because this is pretty old. Now my most favorite is this Next Generation Cars 3 Nitro Way Tim Treadless Next Gen Racer. This is Tim Treadless. He's a next gen. He's one of the best, but not the best. Jackson Storm's the best. I'm actually getting Jackson Storm probably next week, so stay tuned to that. I might show you it. Here it is, Nitro Way fire thingy. Here's the tires. Looks really cool. And number is 28. So yeah. Now let's show my brother's. Video's already 5 minutes. Okay, now my brother's cars. Alright, I don't know my brother's least favorite and my his most favorite, so I'm just gonna pick up random cars. This is my brother's big sort of minivan, fat car, Hot Wheels, and yeah. I'm gonna go put them inside. I'm gonna keep the door open. Sorry about the audio. Hold on. Okay, I can still see everything. Okay. Now, this is another Hot Wheels. It's a color changer. It's very orange. Just a bit of yellow. Just a bit of yellow. Ah! On, put them inside. You can keep it. No, put it inside. Why? Because I don't need it. I already showed it. I'm going to show your cars now. Okay. Okay, can you go put it inside, please? I can't come there. No, you don't have to come. Oh, whatever. Anyways, this is a Hot Wheels car, silver tires. Yeah, and just color change. Yeah. Don't you dare open the door. Now that we got this Looney Tunes Hot Wheels car, yeah, and this has black and blue tires. You know what I'm saying, bro? Alright, it's also yellow and blue, which is pretty cool. This is 2009 Metal Scuba D Fugi. Oh. And now we have another color changer car. My brother had this like last week. It's a color changer. It has yellow and black tires. Beat step. And it's pretty cool. It's called Torquey Twister. It's over at the bottom. Focus camera. I don't know if you can see it, but okay. And I'm gonna put all the cars on the corner of the sofa. Okay. Anyways, now we've got this Hot Wheels car. This one also has an X. Like, hold on, let me look. Both of these cars have an X. Look, that one has an X. Hold on. Wait. Hold on, it's very tiny. It's right over here. Ah! So this one has an X. I don't know if you can see it. I can see it. Where's the other one? Oh, here. And this one has an X. Right there. Okie dokie! got a Captain America Hot Wheels car. It has black tires, Captain America shield, and it says Sir Ominous. What? Sir Ominous? I don't know if you can see it. I'm pretty sure that's the person who made it. Sir Ominous. What the hell is that? Okay. Let's... Yeet. Okay, now we got this tiny little Hot Wheels baby car. Look, even my pinky is bigger than this. And the tires are really fat. It says this thing, it says hi, I guess. I think that's what it says. Okay. Okay. Now we've got this sort of muscle car. It says Hemi. Very tiny. It's a muscle car with black tires. It's black over there. Pretty cool. This is... okay, it doesn't have a name. I don't know where brother is watching. Now we've got this yellow car. Looks like Bumblebee, sort of. It's black, silver tires. This is Motor Max. It says over here. This is not a Hot Wheels. I don't know if you can see it, but okay. I don't know. I have no idea what my brother's watching. Now we've got this Hot Wheels car. It's orange tires. And that's gonna be the background music. So we got these. This car is really cool. It has this, and look, hold on. You can pull this thing up and yeah, put it down. This has silver and yellow tires. This is Turbot. It says right over there. I don't know if you can see it, Turbot. Okay. On, get ready. Right here. And now the last and my favorite, at least, is this Radiator Springs Ramones design McQueen. So it has this lightning, another lightning, these white tires, the white tires and the red tires, and more, blah blah blah. And yes, stickers as headlights. Like, there can't be real headlights. This is a boy. And first I'm just gonna give all of my cars to my brother, and then we'll end the video. Pop. Yeah, now you have to do mine. Oh, whatever, I'll do it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you probably tomorrow. Bye! Get ready for more cringy videos.